In the dynamic landscape of projects, whether they involve constructing a skyscraper, launching a marketing campaign, or developing a groundbreaking piece of software, the concept of teamwork stands as an undeniable pillar of success. It's more than just a group of individuals working in the same vicinity. True teamwork is a synergistic force that propels projects forward, overcomes obstacles, and ultimately leads to the achievement of shared goals. But why is teamwork so critically important? Let's delve into the core reasons why effective collaboration is the lifeblood of successful project outcomes. One of the most significant benefits of teamwork lies in the diversity of perspectives and skills that it brings to the table. Each individual on a team possesses a unique set of experiences, knowledge, and talents. When these diverse viewpoints converge, they spark innovation and lead to more comprehensive problem-solving. A challenge that might seem insurmountable to one person could be readily addressed by another with a different background or area of expertise. This collective intelligence allows teams to identify potential pitfalls, explore creative solutions, and make more well-rounded decisions than any individual could achieve in isolation. Furthermore, teamwork fosters a sense of shared ownership and responsibility. When individuals feel like they are part of a collective effort, they are more likely to be invested in the project's success. This shared accountability encourages proactive engagement, where team members feel a personal stake in ensuring tasks are completed effectively and deadlines are met. The weight of responsibility is distributed, reducing the burden on any single individual and fostering a supportive environment where everyone feels empowered to contribute their best. Effective teamwork also significantly enhances communication and coordination. When team members work collaboratively, there is a natural flow of information, ideas, and feedback. Regular communication channels, both formal and informal, allow for quick clarification of doubts, early identification of potential issues, and seamless alignment of efforts. This constant dialogue ensures that everyone is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and preventing costly errors that can arise from miscommunication or lack of coordination. Moreover, teamwork cultivates a supportive and motivating environment. Working alongside others who share a common goal can be incredibly encouraging, especially when facing challenging tasks or setbacks. Team members can provide emotional support, offer assistance, and celebrate successes together. This sense of camaraderie and mutual encouragement can boost morale, increase job satisfaction, and ultimately lead to higher levels of productivity. Knowing that you are not alone in tackling a difficult problem can make a significant difference in perseverance and overall performance. Another crucial aspect of teamwork is its ability to distribute workload and enhance efficiency. Complex projects often involve a multitude of tasks, some of which may be time-consuming or require specific expertise. By dividing these tasks among team members based on their skills and capacity, the overall workload becomes more manageable. This distribution of labor allows for parallel processing, where multiple tasks can be worked on simultaneously, significantly accelerating project timelines and improving overall efficiency. Teamwork also plays a vital role in knowledge sharing and skill development. When individuals collaborate, they have the opportunity to learn from each other's experiences and expertise. This cross-pollination of knowledge can lead to the acquisition of new skills, the adoption of best practices, and the overall professional growth of team members. Exposure to different approaches and perspectives broadens individual understanding and strengthens the collective capabilities of the team. In the face of challenges and obstacles, a cohesive team is far more resilient than a group of individuals working independently. When problems arise, a team can pool its collective resources, brainstorm solutions, and provide mutual support to navigate difficulties. This shared problem-solving approach increases the likelihood of finding effective solutions and minimizes the impact of setbacks on the overall project timeline and objectives. Furthermore, successful teamwork fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Through regular feedback, debriefings, and shared reflection on project successes and failures, teams can identify areas for improvement and refine their processes. This iterative learning cycle allows the team to become more efficient and effective over time, leading to consistently better outcomes in future projects. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, teamwork often leads to better overall results. The synergy created by effective collaboration frequently produces outcomes that surpass what any individual could have achieved on their own. The combination of diverse skills, shared responsibility, effective communication, and mutual support creates a powerful force that drives innovation, efficiency, and ultimately, project success.